the result of Saab's 50 years of avionics expertise. We deliver some of the most advanced avionics systems available today. Saab Avionics suite of products brings together integrated, modular, and future-proof avionics solutions for fixed-wing and rotary aircraft. These products deliver superior guidance, enhanced reconnaissance, and unsurpassed communication management, all with safe and efficient aviation at the heart of their design. Our products are implemented across a wide variety of military and civil aircraft and are deployed the world over, offering avionics solutions to match any task. We believe that safety should never be compromised, especially when flying in hazardous conditions. Saab Avionics Suite combines years of skill and innovation to create the safest possible aviation solutions. Our solutions use technology that enhances operations, increasing pilot awareness and control through various systems and products. These integrated pieces of technology work together seamlessly, enabling pilots to see more and control more. Avionics Suite provides a variety of future-proof avionics solutions. The products are lightweight, easy to operate, and customizable. The entire portfolio of products has been built to provide exceptional return on investment and to blend flawlessly with current technologies and platforms.